YouTube? Back at you again with another video. Today we got another unboxing for you. If you ain't subscribed to the channel, just join the club right here. Shoot, we got a lot to come, a lot to share with y'all. Let's get into this. We ordered these shoes from Kick Square. We ordered them last weekend, but we just got them yesterday. We was gonna put them up, but we didn't. Man, Woke didn't get the chance to put them in, so gonna get them in now. Yeah, it took them a week though to get them to us. What that say? 2 days shipping. Come on now. Man, they package this thing up good though. They put the tape to it in. There we go. Rest receipt now. Here we go. Got the black Jordan box. Red Jumpman. Shoot, they gave us a good deal on these though. We got them less than retail. No complaints about that. Let's get into this thing. Ooh, boy, you smell them things. Look at there, boy. Alternate sixes. Super clean, super clean. Jumpman air on the back. Got that premium suede right here. Got your white leather. Suede on the toe box. Got the Jumpman right here. Yeah, we try to keep them coming for y'all, so y'all don't miss out. Shoot, y'all join the club. Subscribe to the channel. 1991 right there on the back of the tongue. Yeah, man, that thing's bad right there. Super clean. Got a lace lock right here with a Jordan on it. Check out the bottom. I see Jordan, they went back with the clear. They ain't got that blue icy on them. Went back with the clear on them. Red Jumpman. Super clean, super dope. Yeah, I love this model right here. Got your red pull tab on the back. Look around. Super clean, super dope. Hope y'all didn't sleep on these. Don't be no sleeping. I believe these right here, man, they gonna go. They probably gonna sell out right here, man. Hey, come on now, these are sixes. All around view. It won't take much to get something to go with these things right here. Oh yeah, we got the Jumpman right there on the Jumpman on the inside. Well, y'all subscribe to the channel. Hit us with a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Come on in like folks now. Come on. Miss Hot Pepper 2008 right here. Coming right back at you with another review. Peace.